Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this tripod that I picked up off of Amazon by Joilcan. I'm a YouTuber and content creator, also do stuff on TikTok, so those of you out there, you know that having a good tripod is a really good tool to have, and this one has come in very handy. So let me talk to you guys quick about what comes in the package, some of the accessories, and some of the features of this tripod. So in the kit they give you a smartphone mount. So this will fit an iPhone and things like that. Okay, and then they give you two of these quick release adapters. I'll show you how those work real quick. Basically, you just make sure this little tab is lined up with one of those slots. And then you can just screw it on like that. Okay, and once that's screwed on, you're ready to mount this onto the tripod. Okay, so really easy, just place it on top like this and you're good to go. And let's say you have another camera mounted to the other attachment. You can just put it in like that, super easy. So let's go take a closer look at these legs. They are made out of aluminum, so very durable. And I like how they lock into place so you can kind of fine tune the length that you need. And then here at the bottom, I really like these feet. They're on a little bit of a swivel. So let's say you're on a little bit of an uneven surface. They'll match the contour of the ground very well that way. You also have a little hook here. So let's say you have this tripod fully extended and it's a little bit of a windy day and you need a little bit more stability. You can hang a bag and add a little weight to the tripod, give it some more stability. And then there's also a leveling indicator to help you level out your tripod. And then here is you have a lot of adjustments here at the top as well. So you can undo this handle and tilt it up and down really easily. And then we have a nice smooth panning operation. You can lock that in as well. And then on the top here, we can undo this knob and you can flip out your camera and get a different orientation really easily that way. And let's say you need to fine tune your height a little bit. You can undo the lock on this side and we've got a little crank here and you can crank this up a little bit higher to get a little bit different height. And then once you get the height you want, just lock it back into place and then you're good to go. Okay, so here we have the tripod fully extended, and just to give you guys an idea of how high it can go, so this one is approaching about 6 feet at the top where the camera would be mounted. So plenty of height and plenty of options here to fine tune what kind of a shot you're needing to take. And last, just wanted to let you know they do give a nice little carrying case, so everything will fit into here. And you got a nice, backpack style strap right there, so that's really nice. So overall, I've been really happy with this tripod setup. So if you're looking for one that's got some really good features, nice and sturdy and adjustable, take a look at the Joilcan.